Hello, hello, hello. Just want to say happy Valentine's Day and big thank you for all of you on social media, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. Thank you so much for being in my life, for being a friend, giving comments. And this is Greedy Baby. Hi, Greedy Baby. Oh, love and the love. Okay. So happy Valentine's Day. And yes, sweetheart, hello. I wanted to tell you I'm also on a podcast. Brad Walsh has a podcast. Empowerography, okay? It is empowerography.com. I'll have it in the description. And Grady and I say bye, 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 bye. Right? Oh, okay. You have a wonderful singing day because it's such a day, yeah. Such a mighty fine day, yeah, yeah. Woo! Bye, 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 bye. Bye, Greedy, Greedy baby.